You can incorporate Honeypot field into Contact Form 7 to secure unwanted form submissions. This field will add an extra layer of protection to prevent bot submissions for Contact Form 7. This guide will help you understand and implement Honeypot field in Contact Form 7. Navigate to WordPress dashboard, plugins, add new, search essential add-ons for Contact Form 7, install and activate the plugin. Navigate to the Contact Form 7 menu, Essential Add-ons, from the Fields tab, make sure the Honeypot field is enabled. Navigate to any existing form, or create a new one. Add Honeypot tag, where you want to display it, in your form. After clicking the Honeypot tag, a configuration pop-up will appear. Here you can configure field type, field name, disable accessibility label, placeholder, class attribute, and ID attribute. Click the Insert Tag button once the configuration is done. The customized tag will be added to your form editing panel. Copy the shortcode and paste it inside any page or post to secure the form. Now the Honeypot hidden field will automatically detect and protect spam submissions.